Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 6.73 inches display and Galaxy S23 Ultra has 6.81 inches display. Here is display resolution of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones have same 120Hz refresh rate. Aspect ratio of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra. Pixel density of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra are 521 ppi and 390 ppi. Glass type of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra are Gorilla Glass and Gorilla Glass Victus. Brightness of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 are 1500 nits and 1800 nits. The OS of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra is Android version 12. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset and Galaxy S23 Ultra has Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset. The CPU processor of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra. GPU of both Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra is Adreno GPU. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones are dust resistant. The back camera of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra can record video up to 8K at 30 fps. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones have 32 megapixels punch-hole front camera. The front camera of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra can record video up to 1080p and 4K at 30 fps. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 4860 mAh battery and Galaxy S23 Ultra has 5000 mAh battery. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has 67 watt fast charging and Galaxy S23 Ultra has 45 watt fast charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones support wireless charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones support reverse charging. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones have GPS. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones have in-display fingerprint sensor. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones have face unlock. Neither the Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Xiaomi 12s Ultra has IR blaster but Galaxy S23 Ultra doesn't. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones are water resistant. Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra both phones are dust resistant. IP rating of Xiaomi 12s Ultra and Galaxy S23 Ultra is IP68.